Hey guys, I hope you are doing good. Today I will teach you how you can reset any ZKTeco device, or like specifically for the today I will teach you how you can reset a SpeedFace V5L ZKTeco device. Okay, first of all I will tell you what I got in this box. First of all I got this device, then this wire that I have plugged in at the back side. Okay, you have to plug in the same way. Okay, then I got this charger, and the third most important thing is I got this magnet, which is the crucial thing to reset any ZKTeco device. Okay, first of all what you have to do, take this wire that we have plugged in at the back side and connect it with the charger cable. Okay, I have connected. Okay, after that what you have to do is take the device, and now you have to search for such type of shape at the back side of any ZKTeco device. You have to take this magnet and put it right here. Like you can see, it will not fall down. Okay, it has been magnetically connected. Okay, then you have to simply turn on the device. Okay, and you have to wait till the device will be turned on. Then I will tell you what you have to do next. Here's where you will not get any shadow. Here you will get, okay, here you will get the menu button. You have to click this, then you have to click back button. You have to repeat same process again and again. Like it is asking for the password, but obviously we don't know the password. We have to crack this. You have to repeat this again and again. Okay, you don't need to be panicked, and don't need to think that it's a scam. It will obviously work. You just have to keep following the step I am following. Okay, you have to repeat again and again for few seconds. Okay, you don't need to count how many times I'm doing, but you have to keep doing for some while. Okay, so more signs. Okay, now what you have to do is simply take out the magnet that we have placed at the back side. Take this magnet I have put right here, and again you have to repeat the same process. Okay, just you have to repeat same process. Yeah, this one. You have got this menu. That's all we need. We will add for your a user. We will add a new user. A new user. Let's give a ID of 4456. Okay, then you have to name. Let's give name like what what okay, okay, then you have to add a fingerprint. Okay, I am adding a fingerprint like thumb. You have to select 5, then you have to, okay, you have to press 3 times. The fingerprint has been enrolled. You have to go back. Okay, that's all. Okay, And in the same way, you can edit it as a super admin. You can do each and everything. That's all from my side. If you again feel any sort of query or issue, you can just comment down. I will reach out, or you can also reach out via email or WhatsApp number. I will provide you in the description of this video. Have a great day, and please do subscribe me. It will help me to reach out to more people that really need this type of content. And please hit a like button and share this video more. Okay, thanks a lot for watching.